Okay, happy Monday, everyone. I hope that the first week of e-learning went well for you. Again, we are all learning and adjusting as we go. So last week we found points of lines and graphed those points to form a line. You might have noticed that each of the lines might have been different, might have been steeper, less steep. That steepness is called the slope. So today we're going to be talking about the slope of a line. Slope is the measure of the steepness of a line, and it is calculated by finding the rise and putting it over the run as a fraction. There are 4 types of slopes. There's a positive slope, a negative slope, a zero slope, and an undefined slope. So let's take a quick look at positive slope. A positive slope starts with a point on the left, and to get to the next point on a line, you have to count up and over. Okay? So positive is a positive number over a positive number. A negative slope, if you read a line from left to right, it's like you're going downhill. So here's a point here, and here's another point here. If I start on the left and I go to the right, I have to go down and over. Because I had to go down, the top number of my slope would be negative. We have a zero slope, which is a horizontal line. And then we have an undefined slope, which is a vertical line. So let's take some time now and practice counting slopes of lines. To find a slope, count the rise, so how much you have to go up or down, then the run, which is to the right, from a point on the left of the graph to a point on the right of the graph. Now remember, your slope is written as a fraction. So let's take a look here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to go to here. To get there, I have to go up and over. Now my slope is how many spots did I have to go up? I had to go up 3, and then I had to go over 2, so my slope is 3 over 2. Here I'm starting at the left and going to the right. I have to go up 1, over 1, so my slope is just 1 over 1. Any slope that's over 1 can be written as a whole number. Now, if you notice, this slope is going downhill, because if I start at the left point and go to the right, I have to go down and over. Now, because I went down, my top number will be negative. 1, 2, 3, so down 3 over 1. So which is negative 3. Okay. Starting here, going down and over. I had to go down 1, 2, 3, and over 2. So my slope is negative 3 over 2. This one is up and over, so I went up 2 over 2. Now, any whole number over itself is equal to 1, so my slope there is 1. Here's another positive slope because I have to go up and over. I went up 1, over 1, 2, 3, 4. So my slope is 1/4. Another positive slope. I have to go up and over. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 1. This one, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, over 1, 2. So basically, the slope is the steepness, but it's also directions from one point to the next. And lastly, a negative slope. So we went down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's my slope. All right, so now you can practice this on your homework, and I think we're going to do the same thing tomorrow. Have a great day, and message me on Schoology if you have any questions.